There are some models or types in comparison. Here is the first model, positive form. Some keywords we can use and form the comparative and the superlative forms, and we can transform the comparative to superlative and superlative to positive and positive to the comparative. Here is the first model and some key points. No other, as good as. Comparative, better than any other. Superlative, the best. The adjective good is taken as an example to express the model 1, the hints, or we also call some key points. Let us see an example of the model 1. Positive. No other country in the world as great as India. As great as is comparing with none. Means no comparison is made in the first sentence, the positive one. Let us see the next comparative form. India is greater than any other country in the world. Here, India is compared with other countries. The comparative form we have used greater than. Let us see the superlative form. India is the greatest country. Means there is no other country greater than India. Means it is the greatest one. The positive form shows comparing with no one. It means it shows the mere existence. Second one, the comparative form shows it compares with the other. The third one, it is the highest degree and there is no comparison made, and it could be the highest degree of all. Let us see one more example of model 1. No other boy in the class is so clever as Vikas. Comparative form. Vikas is cleverer than any other boy in the class. And the superlative. Vikas is the cleverest boy in the class. The first one, no comparison is made. So clever as the adjective is used. Comparative. Vikas is compared with the other boy in the class. Next one, the third one, the superlative form. Vikas is the cleverest of all the boys in the class. Let us see one more example of model 1. No other tree in the garden is so old as this. Comparative. This tree is older than any other tree in the garden. Superlative. This is the oldest tree in the garden. Here we have old. No comparison is made. Second one. Older than any other tree. Comparison made with other tree. And the oldest. It is the highest degree and it is the oldest of all the trees in the garden. Let me check how far did you understand the models. Here is a model 1 task. The positive one. No other flower is as beautiful as rose. Did you please change it into comparative and the superlative forms? Comment them in the comment box. Here is another task of model 1, the superlative form. Lead is the heaviest metal. May you get the comparative and the positive forms? Comment them in the comment box. Here is another task for you of model 1, the comparative form. He is better than any other bowler in the team. May you get the positive and the superlative forms of it by using the model number 1? Answer these all three in the comment box.